Forgotten username recovery failed on Nutmeg Fix. If you've lost track of your Nutmeg username, you're not alone. Most people panic and try random guesses, but here's the surprising truth. Recovery is much simpler than you think. Step 1. Open the Nutmeg login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Nutmeg will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather key account information. This includes your full name, the last 4 digits of your linked bank account or recent investment activity. Nutmeg's support team can verify these details to help you recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all your email folders, including spam and junk, for the recovery message. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid delays. Multiple requests can sometimes slow the process, so patience is important. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Nutmeg support directly. Provide your verification details and explain the problem. Their team will guide you securely through the next steps. Once your username is recovered, it's a good idea to update your account security. Enable 2-factor authentication and store your credentials in a secure password manager. This ensures you won't face the same problem again. Following these steps, you can regain access to your Nutmeg account quickly and resume managing your investments without stress. A forgotten username is just a temporary hiccup that can be resolved efficiently.